This is Camlin Click Mechanical Pencil. This pencil costs rupees 10. 0.7 tip, 3 different body colors. The main difference here is the grip, ring-like design. Different grip and new finish for this pencil. The cap opens up for the eraser. In this color, it looks fantastic. And even the package color too comes with black and white. Nice move from Camlin. Nowadays, many say that Camlin lid were not very dark while compared with the regular Camlin before. Yes, it is bit light in its performance, but when we break the lid, it may turn out little dark. Nice pencil at this price point, rupees 10. Thanks for watching.